Get comfortable, leave the stress behind, and enjoy some unforgettable moments with us. Looks like she definitely didn't see that one coming. He's fine. He just wasn't paying attention for a second. Looks like this little mistake could get expensive fast.
Oh my.
It's more like, wow, man. What the f? Can you put another cup on that?
He arrived like a godsend and stopped that fall instantly. Thankfully, they were both completely fine after that. She lost her footing for a moment and ended up falling. He came to bowl, not remodel the ceiling. The jump fell short, and thankfully he wasn't hurt. That looked rough, but luckily he was okay. That was a close call, but luckily they were both okay. No worries, he came out of that just fine. She lost her balance and went down, but she wasn't hurt. He kept his eyes on his teammate and forgot to watch his step.
Hey, what are you doing? Here we go. Here we go.
Seeing him come out okay was such a relief. Thankfully, he was completely fine after that. She fell unexpectedly, and thankfully, everything turned out fine.
I'm thinking right now.
That jump was so wild, even the floor couldn't handle it.
Come on, Andrew, you got this, buddy.
Luckily, neither of them appeared to be seriously hurt. His jump failed, though luckily, he walked away okay. One small mistake turned into a full river fail. That was a close call, and thankfully everyone was fine afterward. No worries, he came out of that just fine. That kick missed its target in the most unexpected way. She was riding the board when she suddenly lost her balance and fell. That branch said not today, but thankfully she was fine. Watch out, girl, that almost turned into a bigger fall. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe for more. No need to panic, she came out of that just fine.
Fun!
Does anyone else feel like something is a little off here? This turned into a very unexpected slide moment. It was just a failed flip attempt, and thankfully, she was fine. She just fell into the pool while trying to save the ball. The bridge collapsed fast, though luckily everyone was okay. She almost made it over, but that jump definitely did not work out. He fell off the camel, and thankfully he was completely fine. It was a relief to see him walk away okay.
And nobody has ever fallen in. It's like the best thing.
It was just a harmless fall, and thankfully, he was fine. Seeing him okay afterward was such a huge relief.
Yes, you're a queen.
The dog is clearly just playing around with him. Thankfully, everyone made it out safely after that. That mistake definitely came with an unexpected price tag. Thanks for watching, and we hope these moments brought a little more fun to your day. See you next time.
Quieran traerse, yo me traje al Jack.